Hey there, Andrew Bebe here. I'm coming up with another food and drink review. And today we're gonna try a Starbucks coffee drink. And let's just talk about it right now. So the drink that I'm going to be reviewing today is called the Grande White Mocha from Starbucks. You could get this hot or cold, whichever you prefer. And it's something that I would say is definitely pretty good. And I've had this once before, but a long time ago. But let me take another sip and it'll refresh my memory. And in fact, I'll just tell you what I think about my first initial reaction to the first sip is. Wow, that is very good. This is a very good coffee. I mean, if you could call it coffee. I like to call these drinks a specialty drink because it's full of sugar, I could tell. I mean, it's going to be the white chocolate, obviously, that's making it sweet. And let me just say that if you don't really have a really heavy sweet tooth, meaning that you don't really like your coffee or drinks to be very sweet, I'm kind of falling in that category because those of you who know me, I am not a fan of soda. I hate soda. I don't even drink regular Coke, Pepsi, whatever. I usually stick to LaCroix, soda water, whatever you want to call it, carbonated water. So this is actually, for me at least, it's very sweet. And maybe for someone who's used to drinking and eating a lot of sweet things, is probably going to be normal to them. But to me, it's just overwhelming. And when I say that, I don't mean that in a negative way, because my reaction is, wow, this is very good. It's like candy. It's like, for me at least, it's like drinking candy. And I think it's definitely something that, you could taste the white chocolate. It's sweet. It's a pretty heavy drink. Let me take another sip for you. Yeah, it's because they put milk in here. I don't know what kind of cream it is. It doesn't really say specifically if it's 2% or whatever. Anyways, yeah, it's very, very heavy and sweet drink. My only complaint about it right now is that it's not very hot, and maybe that's partially my fault, because when I left Starbucks, I actually or when I got into this car here, I tried to film this very review that you're seeing, and I was outside, so there was a terrible, atrocious glare. So I actually had to drive here to work, and this is where I am right now, right before I start my day. And so maybe the 10-minute drive made it kind of cooler, and it was probably much warmer, when I first initially got it at Starbucks. So maybe that's something that it's kind of an unfair thing to kind of remove a point, for the review for this. But I have a microwave in the office, so I could always just do that, microwave it. Maybe for like 10 seconds or so, but yeah, we're gonna get to the rating, 1 through 10. I would actually give this Starbucks drink, out of 1 through 10, an 8 out of 10. Now, those of you who know me, I never give anything a 10 out of 10. Maybe that would be perfect, I guess. I like to give a 9 or a 9.5 out of 10, which is pretty damn close. This is still very good, though. An 8 out of 10 is still a very high rating. So this is the white chocolate grande. Size of the cup is a grande, at least. You could get, of course, if you don't want that much sugar in your system, you could get the tall cup, which is smaller, or you could, or if you just want a sugar diabetes overload, you could get the venti, which is a little bit taller than this. But yeah, 8 out of 10. I definitely recommend it. I don't recommend that you drink this every day because it's probably going to make you fat. Not good for your health to be drinking like this every day. At least this kind of drink every day. But I do believe in moderation, and I think that every now and then, treat yourself. Treat yourself to a divine Starbucks drink of heavenly proportions, whether that be something like this, or frappuccino, perhaps. Whatever you want to indulge yourself on. 8 out of 10, white chocolate. Mocha. Yeah, white chocolate. Almost forgot the mocha. Definitely check this out. I'll see you again next time. I have to kind of leave right now because I don't want to be late for work. So until the next video, I'll see you again next time at whatever that may be, whatever video it may be. And so Take care. God bless. If you are subscribed to my channel, I am eternally grateful, as always. And if you are not subscribed, consider doing so. Consider doing so if you like this kind of content. But thank you. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll take one sip before I walk out of here and go to work.